Yo, what's up guys? In the middle of the PBA playoffs, meron muna tayong trade talks about Joshua Munzon. Lumabas na sa Spin.ph yung rumor from Snow Badwa and it is really happening right now na yung Titan Ultra is looking or nakikinig sa mga trade offers para sa kanilang prize player na si Joshua Munzon. Noong nakaraan, meron nang lumabas na trade offers from TNT na they will give Rain ng Batak sa Titan. Pero ang gusto ng Giant Risers ay si Jordan Heading. And as the time goes by, nagkakaroon na siya ng sense kasi naglabas rin ng scoop si Sir Snow Badwa na balak ni Jacob Lau na lumipat ng Titan because they will have a share sa franchise or sila na yung magti-take over yung SGA group nila. So, mapapaisip ka nga talaga si Jordan Heading ay player ng SGA. Kaya pala, Titan wants Jordan Heading sa trade package para kay Joshua Munzon. And Chot Reyes also wants Joshua Munzon because of his playstyle na gusto niya sa kanyang system. Kaya yung palitan na yan is logical talaga. And yun nga, makes sense. Pero bakit nga ba gustong matrade or gustong i-trade si Joshua Munzon? Ayon sa report ng Spin.ph is hindi nagkakasundo sa offer. Joshua Munzon is asking for a 900k per month salary. Pero yung kaya or ang gusto ng franchise is 420,000 plus lang yung mga perks and bonuses. But Munzon wants a guaranteed contract. Well, depende naman yan sa player if deserve niya. Ito, sa atin lang ha. Pero yung kilala kong player is matagal niyang nakuha yung ganyang amount. Pina-champion niya muna yung team na yun. And now, looking at Munzon, I don't think na kung ako rin sa part ng Titan is hindi ko ibibigay yung ganyang halaga Depende talaga palagi. Gustong guaranteed contract, but is it guaranteed to win a championship? Siguro if you draft the likes of Dwight Ramos, baka pwede pa Endorser nyo pa bigla, di ba? Nasa 420k pa rin daw kasi yung sinasahod ni Munzon ngayon. Kasi yun yung contract niya nung nasa Northport. So, parang naging carry over kasi yung nangyari nung binili ng Titan yung franchise. Pero willing naman daw yung Titan talaga na mag-increase ng sahod kung nag-i-increase din yung laruan niya. Kung nagiging serious problem na siya sa liga. Yes, he is a great perimeter defender, a first scoring option. Pero yung load of shots, yung shot selection, yung percentage, it is not giving. Plus, yung 10 out of 38 niya na shooting from the outside. Kayo ba? Does he worth 900k per month? Right now, yung pinaka-landing spot talaga is yung TNT Tropang 5G for Jordan Heading dahil na rin sa ties ni Heading sa SGA kasi mukhang matutuloy yung pag-take over ng SGA sa Titan franchise And lahat tayo excited kasi sure ball at alam nating magiging competitive na yung team na yan. So yung gagawin nilang roster, papalag na sa buong liga kapag sila na yung may control dyan. May mga ibang teams ba na pwede? Probably San Miguel Beermen. Meron silang talented players to pull this one off. Sino yung mga pwedeng kunin ng Titan dyan? That is the question Yung tipong pangmatagalan din sana. Yung SMB is one of the oldest teams sa PBA ngayon. So maybe it's hard pala for Titan to find a future guy on this team. Siguro kayo na lang sa comment section yung mag-isip ng mga trade package, yung pwede kay Joshua Munzon, yung magkakaroon din ng magandang kuha yung Titan Ultra for their future. Kasi for now yan yung number one option nila So they need a guy na magiging core and dun sila magbe-build around. So, that's all for this one. Again, let me know sa comment section below. This is Agon Hoop. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye!